What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free here on YouTube. Today I'm reviewing the Beekeepers Naturals brand, which is a company that creates a wide array of bee products for many different things, for nasal health, breathing, throat health like throat sprays, or anything to do with like allergies and immunity and things like that. So they mainly have honey, bee pollen, propolis, and royal jelly. So they have these things within their company, but then they take them and they put them, a variety of these things, into different products. Like this, for example, is a nasal spray or the throat spray or things like that. So I will be sharing with you in this video what I like and don't like about the brand. So first things first, I want to get out of the way the things that I don't really like about the brand, particularly because of just the way sort of they do business and also the size of the company. So the company's quite large and they've been around for a while, and I've used different products of theirs over the years because they're quite literally everywhere. They're at a lot of different health food stores. I think they're at the big box health retailers as well. And the downside to that is that the bees, I did some research, and the bees that they utilize for the royal jelly, honey, bee pollen, propolis, things like this, are from Canada, Europe, and South America. So from what I read online, maybe there are some bees from the US, but it seemed like a lot of these bees, for whatever reason, were from other countries. And the downside to that is that there's less freshness and less nutritional value to a brand if they're not sourced locally. Now, once again, I could be wrong about this. This is just what I read. But regardless, even if I am wrong, it does appear or seem to be that they get their honey and bee products from the US, Canada, Europe, and South America regardless. So you don't really know where this bottle of bee products is coming from. And for me, that's a little bit of a downside because you're gonna lose nutritional value overall if something is from further away. And also, you are going to not get the best benefit from it in regards to the pollen, because one of the big benefits of bee products is that if you get local honey, local bee pollen, local royal jelly, local bee products that are from your local environment within like 50 miles or less, these bees are pollinating the different flowers and the different allergens that you will inhale come springtime. And the reason this is beneficial is because when you consume these bee products, you're getting trace amounts of these allergens, and they condition your immune system to respond accordingly and for it not to be a sudden attack where your immune system is sort of reacting. So if you can, ideally, it's best to get local high quality honey products if you can and utilize those. With that being said, those are really the two biggest downsides of the Beekeepers Naturals brand. Number one, the international sourcing, and then number two, the getting not necessarily local pollen for what your immune system might benefit from. I will say this, however, if you don't have many allergies or really allergies at all, you really don't have to worry about it as much, because additionally, I should add that honey and bee products are some of the longest lasting nutritional things that we can possibly consume. So I could give them some slack and some leniency if the bees are coming from Canada or South America or Europe, because those constituents, those compounds within the bee pollen, honey, and things like this, they last a long time anyway. So it's not like it's going to degrade like any other product would. So that is the upside of that, the upside of the downside. With that being said, I guess that's really all of the downsides. I'll say this about the company. I really like that they take, for example, bee pollen, propolis, honey, and royal jelly, and they combine them in different ways to basically benefit your health in specific pathways. And what I mean by that is this, for example, is their nasal spray, which contains, obviously there's saline water in here, but vegetable glycerin, propolis extract, eucalyptus, oregano, and it's really great because the thing I like about this, it's very simple. All you do is take this off, shoot up the nose and do a little inhale. That oregano and eucalyptus is great because it sort of opens your pores, and then the honey actives go to work. The propolis in particular is great for immunity, and it's antimicrobial. So this is great for travel. It's great during flu season. That's a whole other conversation. So this is really great for that. Same with their throat spray. So I like that they take the value of what the bees produce and they specifically put it into the pathways. Like I can shoot this up my nose. You can get the throat spray for if you have a sore throat or anything like that. I believe that has honey in it, or at least I would think it would. So the things that benefit those certain parts of your body, they put those things into those products, and it's like a direct application, which is really nice. And arguably, they do that better than any other bee company on the market. So with that being said, I really like that aspect of the brand, and the products are high quality. They're in glass bottles, and they work very well, and they've been around a long time, and the origin story of the company is from an actual beekeeper. So I do believe there's a lot of integrity within the company. I always like to see the story behind the brand and the connection to the founder or the connection to the family or whatever it may be, because for me, it gives me a little bit more reassurance in the brand. I also like that they have, and I'm gonna go over them real quick, bee pollen, which is basically a food. It's 20 to 30% protein by weight. It's great for energy recovery, and it's a great source of protein. They use propolis, which is the medicinal part of the bee, which is typically, it's used for the hive defense, and that is great for immunity and microbial. That's in the nasal spray. I believe that's in the throat spray as well. And then honey, which is just a really great source of fuel. It's a great source of energy. It's rich, it's glucose. It's a great pre-workout, by the way. Just throw some honey back. Beekeepers Naturals has great honey. It's obviously great for soothing the throat as well, great to add to tea. And then last but not least, their royal jelly. Now, royal jelly is actually it's the hardest and longest production time constituent that is harvested from bees. And royal jelly is incredible for both hormones and longevity. It's actually used to feed the queen in the hive, which the queen lives like 7 years, whereas the worker bees live like 2 weeks. So in terms of longevity and hormone regulation, royal jelly is incredible. And I like that Beekeepers Natural, or Beekeepers, yeah, Naturals, not Naturals, Natural. Beekeepers Naturals, Beekeepers Naturals. There's 2 S's. Now we got it clear. I like that they use honey, bee pollen, propolis, and royal jelly. So they're using all the parts of the bee to give you all of that, both medicinal value, but caloric value, like when it comes to bee pollen, for example, and just all the therapeutic potential of what bees have to offer. So I really like that. I think Beekeepers Naturals, once again, is a great brand. I think they do an exceptional job with quality. I would say, however, that it would be nice if I knew where the bees were from. Having them sourced here, there, everywhere is a little bit of a downside to me. But like I said, thanks to the bees and their ability, how they were engineered to create honey and propolis and these types of things, bee pollen, these things actually last a lot longer, and they don't degrade like an apple would. Like an apple will oxidize or a banana will oxidize in your counter very quickly. Not the case with bee pollen or honey, not as quickly, especially honey. I believe honey lasts thousands of years. So with that being said, I love the brand. I will link them up on Amazon below. I love this nasal spray. It's super clearing for the nasal pathway, which is really good when it gets colder out, just because people have things and you want to just having that antimicrobial propolis, eucalyptus, and oregano up your nose. It's incredible. I highly recommend it. And their throat spray is great as well. Really, all their products are great. And I love the flavor and the taste of honey and that sweetness. So that's great. Another great aspect about the brand. So I will link their brand up below. You can just click that link. It's a shortened link. It'll take you to their Amazon page so you can see all of their products. With that being said, if you like natural products and you want something that's exceptional for immunity and gut health, and specifically lymphatic health, Radiate 21 may be of interest to you. Radiate 21 is a blend of 21 botanicals from Amazonian, Ayurvedic, and Chinese medicine that have been used individually for thousands of years, but all 21 ingredients in one single formula simplifies that so your supplement routine is a bit easier and more congruent, so you don't have to take a bunch of different pills and powders like I do that all the time, but this simplifies a lot for me. So check out radiate21.com below. That website will give you more information. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands now, there's a list of over 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach. I've been a health and wellness educator for 17 years now. And I have compiled a list of the brands that I use. These are pasture-raised, grass-fed, organic, biodynamically grown, high quality, everything you can think of, superfoods, supplements, biohacking technology, barefoot minimalist shoes, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, you name it. If you want to get discounts on all that kind of stuff, oh, and the best sea salt in the world, everything, check out the link in the description. It's healthywildfree.com/shop. So check out the links below in the description and subscribe for future videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews on health and wellness products, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.